What if a tiny device could read your world, your fridge, your mood, your day, and rewrite how you live? OpenAI's insane new AI gadget is here. Buckle up for the future. OpenAI has set the tech world ablaze with a stunning 9-minute video that's less a product launch and more a cinematic fever dream. We see CEO Sam Altman and legendary designer Jony Ive, the visionary who shaped the iPhone, casually strolling through San Francisco's foggy streets, waxing poetic about reimagining how humans and computers connect. There's no shiny prototype, no slick demo, just raw, tantalizing vibes and bold philosophical claims about the next frontier of technology. It's a cryptic teaser, dripping with mystery, that's got everyone buzzing. What is this thing? Leaked whispers and supply chain rumors suggest OpenAI's cooking up something revolutionary, and the hype is off the charts. This isn't just a gadget, it's a seismic shift, and we're here to unpack the madness. Let's talk about the power duo behind this gamble. Sam Altman, the brainy head of OpenAI, and Jony Ive, the design genius who turned the iPhone into a cultural juggernaut, are joining forces to shake up the world. OpenAI shelled out a jaw-dropping $6.5 billion, more than Disney paid for Marvel or Facebook forked over for WhatsApp, to snag Ive's startup, a company that's so far just a prototype factory. That's a colossal bet on a vision to make your smartphone, the device we all clutch like a lifeline, obsolete. Ive's track record is unmatched, crafting sleek, intuitive designs that changed how we live, and Altman's AI wizardry has already wowed millions. Together, they're dreaming up a future where tech isn't just in your pocket, it's woven into your life. The stakes couldn't be higher, and the tech world's eyes are glued to this dynamic duo. So, what's the scoop on this mystery device? Thanks to a leaked internal staff meeting and insider supply chain reports from analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, we've got juicy details to chew on. Picture this: a gadget slightly larger than an iPod Shuffle, small enough to hang around your neck like a stylish pendant, or rest unobtrusively on your desk. There's no screen, zero, nada, ditching the visual addiction of phones and laptops. Instead, it's packed with always-on cameras and microphones, giving it uncanny environmental awareness to track your surroundings. It's voice and sensor-driven, a sci-fi marvel that connects to your existing devices, your phone, your laptop, for processing power, not to replace them but to amplify them. The codename I/O might just be a placeholder, with the real name still under wraps. OpenAI's keeping it hush-hush, but the buzz is this tiny titan could launch late 2026, with factories in Vietnam gearing up for 2027 mass production to dodge China-related risks. It's a bold, bizarre leap. Can it live up to the hype? Now let's dive into the magic of how this thing ticks. A device that's less a tool and more a silent, all-seeing partner. This screenless wonder leans on always-on cameras and microphones to scan your world, picking up cues from your environment, where you are, what's around you, maybe even the tone of your voice. It's voice-controlled, so you just speak, and it listens, ready to act. Sensors galore keep it attuned to your context, while it piggybacks on your phone or laptop's processing muscle, syncing seamlessly to boost their power. Imagine strolling into your office muttering, "Schedule my day," and this gadget, dangling from your neck or perched on your desk, instantly knows your meetings, your deadlines, and even if you're running late because it heard the traffic outside. No tapping, no swiping, just pure, intuitive interaction. OpenAI's betting on this ambient AI to blend into your life, always ready, always aware, in a way our clunky screens never could. It's futuristic, freaky, and frankly fascinating. Can they pull it off? Here's where it gets wild. OpenAI's pitching an ambient AI revolution, a device that's always in the background, quietly understanding your life. Envision this: you wander into your kitchen, stomach growling, and casually say, "What should I make for dinner?" This tiny gadget, maybe dangling like a pendant or sitting on your counter, springs to life. Its cameras have already peeked into your fridge, spotting the chicken, kale, and half-empty jar of sauce. Its mics catch the weariness in your voice, guessing your mood. It knows your schedule, got a late meeting, and your dietary quirks, like no dairy or extra spice. In seconds, it purrs back, "How about a quick chicken kale stir-fry, ready in 15 minutes? This isn't just a voice assistant, it's a context-savvy sidekick, weaving together your surroundings, habits, and needs. OpenAI's vision is tech tech that fades into your day, anticipating your moves without a screen in sight. It's a dazzling dream, convenient, seamless, almost alive. But are we ready for a gadget this perceptive? The hype train's at full speed with some jaw-dropping boasts from the top dogs. Sam Altman, OpenAI's fearless leader, boldly declares this is the coolest piece of technology the world will have ever seen, a claim so huge it echoes through the tech universe. Then there's Jony Ive, the design maestro behind the iPhone's sleek revolution, who gazes back on 30 years of crafting iconic products and says, "Everything I've learned has led me to this place and this moment." That's a heavyweight statement from the guy who reshaped human behavior with a touchscreen. These aren't timid promises, they're swinging for the fences predictions from two titans who've already changed the game. They're framing this device as a leap beyond our dusty PCs and smartphones, legacy tools we've clung to for decades. It's a call to arms, ditch the old, embrace the new. The confidence is electric, but with no demo to back it up, we're left wondering, genius or just grandstanding? The tech world's holding its breath. Let's map out the road ahead for this ambitious project, because OpenAI's got a sprint planned. The timeline's buzzing. They're targeting a late 2026 debut for this mysterious AI device, a moment that could redefine tech as we know it. From there, mass production kicks into high gear in 2027, with factories humming in Vietnam, a savvy move to sidestep geopolitical tangles with China, keeping supply chains smooth. Here's the stunner. Sam Altman, in a leaked staff meeting, vowed to ship 100 million units, a goal so audacious it aims to outpace the iPhone, which took 3 years to hit that mark. They want to flood the world faster than any gadget in history. Picture warehouses brimming, trucks rolling out, and millions wearing or placing this tiny marvel by their side. It's a desk companion, a third pillar next to your MacBook and iPhone, always on, always ready. The clock's ticking, 2026 is just around the corner, and the logistics are mind-boggling. Can OpenAI pull off this breakneck pace and deliver? We're on the edge of our seats. This isn't just another gadget, it's a bold move to replace the smartphone. OpenAI's mystery device, powered by Jony Ive's design and Sam Altman's AI, aims to redefine how we live, work, and connect. Imagine AI that knows your world and helps without a screen. It's a $6.5 billion moonshot to shape the next era of tech. If it works, it could outshine the iPhone. The stakes? Nothing less than the future of human-computer interaction. So, are you ready to ditch your phone for OpenAI's wild AI vision? Drop your take in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to catch every twist of this epic tech saga. The future's coming. Stay tuned.